Use PDF2QFX to convert PDF bank or credit card statement files to QFX, Web Connect, and import into Quicken. Start PDF2QFX converter and open a transaction file. Review transactions before converting. Check the dates are correct, have correct year, deposits and withdrawals are in correct places. Set INTU.BID number to match your bank or use a default value. Set the account ID number and the account type. For multiple accounts, use a different account ID for each account. Click the Convert button to create a QFX file. In Quicken, backup your data file before importing. Click File, Import, Bank File, to import into a new account or existing account. Disconnect the account before importing. Review transaction after import.